In this video, I will share with you Top 4 Best Bread Machines in 2024. Number 1. Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. This is the creme de la creme, the Usain Bolt of bread machines. Boasting a whopping 15 pre-programmed settings, from crust options to gluten-free and artisan bread modes, it caters to every whim. Its dual kneading paddles ensure even dough development, and the longer pan produces impressive bakery-style loaves. While the price tag is hefty, the Virtuoso's versatility, consistent quality, and intuitive controls make it a worthwhile investment for serious bread bakers. Experience. Imagine golden brown sourdough loaves, fluffy brioche buns, and crusty baguettes, all within your reach. The Virtuoso delivers on its promises, churning out delicious bread with minimal effort on your part. The wide variety of settings allows for experimentation and customization, making it a true baking companion for the long haul. Number 2. Cuisinart CBK 110 Automatic Bread Maker. This budget-friendly option is perfect for beginners and casual bread enthusiasts. Its 12 pre-programmed settings cover essential bread types, and its compact size fits neatly on any countertop. While it lacks the bells and whistles of the Virtuoso, the CBK 110 delivers consistent results with its basic functions. Experience. This machine is ideal for those who want to enjoy fresh bread without breaking the bank. Simple controls and clear instructions make it easy to use, even for first-time bakers. Expect classic white, wheat, and French loaves with a decent crust. While customization options are limited, the CBK 110 is a reliable and affordable choice for everyday bread baking. Number 3. Cuisinart CBK 200 FR 2-pound Convection Bread Maker. Step up your baking game with this feature-packed machine. The convection technology ensures even baking and a beautiful crust, while the 16 pre-programmed settings offer a variety of bread styles and dough options. It also boasts a larger capacity, perfect for bigger families. Experience. This machine is a true workhorse, producing consistently delicious and evenly baked loaves. The convection feature delivers a superior crust, and the variety of settings allows for exploration beyond basic bread. While the larger size might not be ideal for small kitchens, the CBK 200 FR is a solid choice for those who want to take their bread baking to the next level. Number 4. Panasonic Automatic Bread Maker. This sleek and stylish machine offers a user-friendly experience with its intuitive controls and LCD display. It features 10 pre-programmed settings, including a jam-making function, making it a versatile kitchen appliance. The compact design makes it suitable for smaller spaces. Experience. Expect fuss-free baking with this Panasonic machine. The intuitive controls and clear instructions make it easy to navigate, even for beginners. The pre-programmed settings deliver consistent results, and the jam-making function adds a bonus for versatile cooks. While the customization options are limited compared to some competitors, the Panasonic Automatic Bread Maker is a reliable and user-friendly choice for everyday baking.